Hey guys, please take a look at the new arrival here at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Very nice looking 2012 Honda Odyssey EXL. 100,000 miles on it exactly. Beautiful looking body. One owner, clean Carfax, no accidents. Tinted windows, alloy wheels. Very nice all matching Yokohama tires in a great shape. Power sliding doors, alloy wheels. Nice color combination, gray exterior over gray leather interior. Runs and drives beautiful, very well kept and maintained. And the most important thing, guys, we got it and we replaced the timing belt and water pump on this unit. So it's good to go for another 100K. Let's take a peek inside. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, power sliding doors, leather interior with the power seats and heated seats. Leather is in a great shape. As I said, power sliding doors, power lift gate. Beautiful, nice and clean inside. Bluetooth. No warning lights on. 100,000 miles exactly on this unit. Nice and clean dashboard. No issues, no problems. We have navigation. We have rear view camera. Automatic climate control. Automatic transmission. Aux USB. Nice and clean all around. Non-smoking. No odors inside. Sunroof. Clean headliner. Runs and drives beautiful. Let me just show you back seats, power sliding doors, power lift gate. As I said, it's got one extra seat in the middle here, so this is an 8-passenger minivan. Rear climate control. Let me just show you third row seating. Nice and clean. Your floor mats in the trunk. Beautiful, beautiful 2012 Honda Odyssey. If you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this very nice and well kept 2012 Honda Odyssey EXL with 100,000 miles, please give us a call 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free Carfax report. Alloy wheels in great shape with free of scuffs. Look at this beautiful Yokohama tires in a great shape. Let me open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. As I said, very important, guys. Timing belt and water pump has been just done on it. We just did it on 100,000 few miles ago. So again, ready for another 100K. Clean Carfax, one owner since new. Beautiful, loaded, well kept 2012 Honda Odyssey EXL at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Our address is 2232 North Rand Road. Please stop by and take us for a test drive this beautiful Odyssey or any other car. We have a very nice variety of used vehicles. Financing is available. Any questions, please call us 847-496-4250. Again, website carcitychicago.com if you'd like to fill out credit application or check Carfax or pictures, video. Everything is available online. Please give us a call with any questions. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.